dawn, and fishing boat Celtic Victor is already at sea, ahead 27 miles to the fishing grounds around the Smalls Lighthouse, and for the fishermen, a 12-hour day. It can be a tough business. Skipper Glyn Phillips reckons he needs at least 250 days at sea every year to make it pay. His main catch is crayfish, earning for him between £11 and £13 a kilo, but worth more than twice as much on the markets of France and Spain. And this isn't a good day. The haul from 4 nets, each 1,000 yards long, will gross £600, with the 3 crew paid 10% each. The catch can be worth £2,000 a day, or as little as £200. But the investment is substantial. Glyn Phillips's boat cost £60,000, a new engine £7,000, and the nets and prawn pots another £30,000. Forcing it to stay tied up in harbour would sink the business.
The weather stops us enough, but if they stop us as well, we just sell up and finished, go on the dole, hopefully keep the house. But with the boat it'd have to go, that's definite. There's 4 families involved in the boat, like, with the boys working on it and all. It's keeping 4 families, 4 mortgages going. They'd all have to go on the dole.
What would it mean for the fishing industry here?
I think it'd do what it looks like the government's been trying to do for a couple of years now. Wipe it out and give it all to the rest of the EEC.
Other European fishing fleets would be unrestricted by the British rules. It's estimated that continental boats already take 88% of the UK's fish stocks. It's leading to threats of a bitter battle with the government.
There's some people, fishermen, that will go to the wall if this comes in, and so there's going to be more and more bad feeling. If people look as though they are going to lose their livelihood, then people are going to fight harder and harder, because by then they've got nothing to lose. They're going down anyway, so they might as well go down fighting. And unless it is thought out, in a better manner, then I think a lot more fishermen will be up in arms than have been in the past.
I think there'll have to be a lot more militant action, like there's been already. You saw a bit of it in Milford a few months ago, turning the fish boxes and all over. I think there's going to have to be a lot more of that and all around the country. It's the only thing they seems to make them sit up and look a bit.
Whitehall sources are hinting at some relaxation of the curbs, with fishing being allowed on 150 days a year instead of 80. But agreement even on that would be unlikely, with the fishermen pointing to the fact that they'd still have to keep their boats tied up for 4 days a week, a ruling that would bring ruin and might keep some of them permanently ashore. This is David Allen for Wales Today on the Celtic Sea.